Hi, let me show you all the ways how you can take a screenshot on your CMF phone one. And firstly, we can take screenshot with the help of buttons combination. So this is like really default basic way how we can take a screenshot, and this is by pressing this power button and volume down buttons at the same time like this. And now as you can see that screenshot is taken. We can immediately crop it. We can draw something on that screenshot, we can delete it, we can share it to any social media and save to gallery of course. Another way how we can take a screenshot is with the help of swiping down with our three fingers. But for that we need to enable this feature in settings. So let's go in settings. Here we will need to find the step special features and choose gestures. Let's choose gestures. So here find screenshot gesture and now enable this feature of three finger swipe. Now you can swipe down with three fingers to take a screenshot. Let's open Google Chrome and try to take a screenshot in this app with the help of this way. And as you can see, it's working, so everything is just fine. Now, third way how we can take a screenshot is with the help of accessibility menu. To find it, as usual, go in settings. Here, find accessibility, and then you should choose accessibility menu. So first thing first, enable shortcut accessibility by tapping on the switcher. Here, allow to have full controls of your device. And now this button appears in the upper right corner, which you can move anywhere across the screen. Now you can tap it. You can use this arrow to go to the next page and find screenshot feature here. So you can see that I can take screenshot immediately with the help of this way, which is pretty cool. And the last way how we can take a screenshot is swipe up to open our recents. And here you can also find this screenshot option, but this will screenshot only your recents. So it will screenshot any information from your recents. For example, if you have opened any chat with your friend, you can trigger recents. Let me just close this pop-up view and trigger recents. And now you can simply screenshot this chat. And this is how it will look. And now let me show you a different type of screenshot, which is scrolling screenshot. So what does it mean? Firstly, we need to open any app in which we can scroll. And now just take a screenshot with the help of any way I showed you before. So I'm gonna swipe down with three fingers. Now you should see this icon with two arrows. So tap it and you can actually just capture the whole page with the help of dragging those edges down or up, also right or left. And yep, we can capture a whole web page with the help of this way actually. Now you just need to tap save. And after that, you should find this screenshot in your gallery or in Files app if you use it. So this is scrolling screenshot. You can zoom in and check everything on this screenshot. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.